I'm super late to the party, but today we are trying that M hairline look. This is the Legos hairline, M hairline, whatever you want to call it. This wig came like this straight out the box.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
When Alipearl Hair reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their new M hairline wig, I was like, hell yeah, because I have been seeing this all over, but I had no idea how it was gonna look on me. And honestly, at first I was like, girl, I don't know. But after wearing the wig for a little while, she is cute. And y'all were super obsessed with this wig on TikTok Live. If you don't like installing frontal wigs because you feel like they take too long to lay and then you gotta style them too, this is the best of both worlds because you literally get a fully customized wig. You don't have to do any plucking to this wig, no bleaching of the knots. And on top of that, it gives a very nice look to the hairline. It is super different than the traditional style, just straight across moon shape hairlines. And I mean, we can customize our hairlines to make them look like whatever we want them to, but for you to get this straight out the box is pretty freaking cool. My wig is 26 inches long. This is their straight texture. It is a 13x6 HD lace frontal, so you get so much parting space on this wig. Let me show y'all like all the parting space options. This wig can be parted wherever you want. Like you get all of that parting spaces. So if you wanted to braid this back, do a little funky style in the front with this hair, it would definitely be a whole vibe. I would like this wig in a curly texture. I think that would just eat down all the way. We have a new wig to install today from Alipearl Hair, and I'm very excited to install this wig because it is their M hairline wig, and this kind of mimics that Legos hairline type of vibe that everyone has been on lately. And I'm late as hell to the party, but we're gonna see what this is talking about, okay? The wig did come with some freebies. It came with this elastic melting band. It also came with this scarf, also an HD wig cap. You can never have too many of these. And this satin bag. Y'all know I love reusing this bag to store my wigs when I'm not wearing them. Oh, and this was hiding at the bottom of the box. This is an edge brush. I love these as well. Can never have too many of these as well. But here's what y'all came here for, the wig. So she is packaged really nice in this wig cap right here. Let's go ahead and take that off. So here is the hairline. As you can see in the middle, it does come to a point right here, like a widow's peak. So that is the M shape, and then the sides are tapered a little bit. The hairline does come pre-plucked, as you can see, and it does have pre-bleached knots. So it's pretty much ready to wear, except for there is extra lace on this wig. So you will need to cut that either before or after you install it. So here is the inside of the wig cap. It is a 13x6 HD lace frontal. So you have quite a bit of parting space. As you can see, you can do a lot of different styles with this wig. You have two wig combs in the back of the frontal and the front. You have one wig comb in the very back here. And you have this adjustable strap in the back that has silicone gripping around it so that you can make the wig nice and tight and secure on your head. So we're going to go ahead and prep the hairline. I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol. If you saw my last video on how I reinstall my lace frontal wigs, it's the same process. I'm just using a little bit of alcohol just to get rid of any oils that may be on the hairline. Next, I'm going to go in with my Walker Tape Scalp Protector. I'm going to take my blow dryer and just make sure that this is completely dry. So let's go ahead and put on the wig. It is right here. This is 26 inches. She is a straight texture and she's 250% density, y'all. So before we start laying down the lace, we have to go in and cut off this extra lace because as you can see, it's going well past my ear. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the lace down a bit And then just use this comb to go around this ear area. And I'm gonna clip this up and out the way. I'm gonna take a little pair of eyebrow scissors and cut around this lace, y'all. Then I'm gonna pull my ear and it's perfect. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'll be right back. So I did the same on both sides. The lace is now ear to ear, which is exactly how we want it, y'all. So for those of you who are avoiding ebon, one of you reminded me that I love this spray and I completely forgot about it. So thank you, sis. I appreciate that. So I went out and bought the Boutique spray, and I also saw that they have a lace melting spray now as well. I don't know if this is new, but they didn't have this before. So I'm going to be using a combination of these two today to lay my lace down. Hopefully we get a nice install with it. And the lace tint spray that I used is this Wigstensions Lace Tint Mini in the golden color. I cannot find this at my local beauty supply store anymore, and I love this. So if any of you know something that's similar, or you have a lace tint spray that you love, comment below what it is so I can check it out, because I only have like this much in this bottle left. So it's probably only enough for another like closure wig install. So we're just gonna pull this lace back, y'all. And I'm gonna take the Boutique lace glue spray in the extreme hold, and we're going to spray this across the entire hairline. This stuff comes out really quick, so you don't need much. Like, apply the littlest of pressure. And the good thing about using lace spray like this, if you put too much on, you can simply use water and get it off later. It's not like glue. So let's go ahead and start pulling the lace down into the spray. I'm going to use my comb just to push the spray into the lace. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. Now this little widow's peak, I didn't spray enough, but I'll fix that later. It's no big deal. So I've got my hair clipped up and out the way. I'm going to go ahead and take the elastic melting band that came with this wig, and we're going to tie it around the hairline nice and tight, y'all. So I've got the elastic melting band on tight. I'm only going to keep this on for about 10 minutes because it's not as laid as I want it to be. It's just like the first spray down, and then we'll get all the details on the next go round. So I'll be back once it's been 10 minutes, okay? So it's been 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and take this elastic melting band off and see what the lace is looking like under here, y'all. I usually use scissors to cut the lace, but today I'm going to go ahead and just use like an eyebrow razor. But I am going to cut right here just to get it started so I don't end up cutting this little end part off of the wig, because so let's go ahead and take this little eyebrow razor and just start cutting. So I will still need to go around here with a melting spray, but it's looking pretty good so far. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same on this side. I'm cutting it like as close to the hairline as possible, but I do like the way that the eyebrow razor like frays the edges so it looks like more natural and not straight across. So we're going to go ahead and try out the Boutique lace melting spray this time. And I have not used this yet, so I don't know how I'm gonna like it. Okay, it's taking a little while to come out. Come on. Quite a bit just came out. I have this broken fingernail, but it's working out perfectly because I'm just using it to pat down everything. And I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. And just use the back of the comb to press this lace into the skin, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and melt the wig yet again. Make sure you tie it down nice and tight this time. So I'm gonna keep this on for 30 minutes this time, then I'll be back. I'm pretty sure it's been longer than 30 minutes at this point, y'all, but let's go ahead and take off this melting band and see what the lace is looking like now. Yeah, she's definitely nice and melted and laid. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and I'll be right back. So I just did my makeup live on TikTok. So many of y'all kept asking me what wig I was wearing on live, and this is the wig right here. Y'all saw I didn't do any customizations or anything to this wig yet. So the hair is pretty much already straightened. Like this thing is silky straight, okay? Straight out of the box. But we're just gonna go ahead and touch up the hair in a couple of places right now. So we're first going to make sure this hair is nice and laid. I'm gonna take my hot comb and just comb the top of the wig down. We want this baby to be flat. I'm not adding any product to the top of this wig. Then I'm just gonna go over the hair a little bit with a flat iron. You really don't have to, but I just wanna make sure there are no little kinks or anything on the hair. So I'm just gonna go over the top of this wig right here. And this is my Chi original flat iron. I've had this for years and it works really good. So here is the finish install, y'all. I think that this turned out really cute. This M hairline is really growing on me. At first when I put it on, I was like, girl, I don't know, but it is definitely a different look. It makes my round face look more oval shaped. So this hair definitely does change your face shape just a little bit. I love the way that this wig already came pre-customized and everything. And it wasn't hard at all to install this wig flawlessly. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Alipearl Hair, I'm gonna have a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. A lot of you were wanting a coupon code when I went live on TikTok doing my makeup. Like, girl, we need a coupon code, sis. So I'm gonna see if I can get one for y'all, okay? And if you haven't already checked out my latest video, definitely do that next. Keep the party going, sis.